Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Ashamiti Azmar from DKA Tracy. My matrix number is 08 DKA 20F1044. Today, I want to share the car washing process in 6 steps. The needed equipment before start the car washing process is sponge, car washing liquid, dry clothes, tire polish, paint and water dipper. First step, the body and tires of the car are washed with water first, so that sand and dust attached is falling off. Reminder, do not scratch the car while washing. Next, the car body is poured with soapy water and the attached dirty is swept away. Use car washing liquid. It will protect your car paint from fading. Then, dirt on tires is cleaned and rubbed with soapy water. After that, car is rinsed with clean water. Next, the body and tires of the car are wiped with a dry cloth. Use microfiber cloths to get the good result. The last step, tire polish, is applied to the tires so that the tires looking shining. After finish the process, wash your hand properly to remove the dust and sticky soap. In conclusion, the car washing process is not difficult, but it just takes a long time. So, that's why people choose to wash their car at a car wash. But we cannot make sure the car is not scratched, especially when using auto car wash.